Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. I'm going to call it Wet Wednesday. The rain I thought was supposed to start sometime in the middle of the night. It's actually going to be here in about an hour or two-ish. Weather people, yeah. But we're supposed to get some good rain and wind. Last night was leftover night. Actually, it was leftover day. I had lunch. I had that street corn, you got a white bean, chicken white, whatever. I had that over some rice I had left over for lunch. I had a big old bowl. Oh, I took a nap. It made me sleepy. So I took a nap, which I don't do very often. And for dinner, I had that not your typical lasagna for dinner. And Robin has enjoyed the leftover lasagna for 2 days. She finished it up yesterday. She said it was just as delicious, if not better, than the first day. Tonight, I am doing Moroccan Beef Stew with Harissa. I've been looking forward to this for several weeks. As you know, I plan my stuff out, and I'm pulling recipes all the time that I either find online or whatever. So yeah, I have a little stack I'm going through right now for next week. But tonight is Moroccan beef stew with harissa. Harissa is basically a pepper paste. It's not really a paste. It's not a salsa. But yeah, we'll get to it. I promise. So I'm looking forward to this. It is. It's not using any blends, but there is a blend of spices. All the spices I'll be using for tonight's dinner are from India, because this is the closest thing you can get. The spice trade, 400 or 500 years ago. Thank you, Marco Polo. All right, let's get to it. Good old Dutch oven, and my medium saucepan for the harissa. I'm only doing a half of the original recipe, so I've got about 12.7 ounces of beef, some pumice olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of flour for thickening, a carrot, which I'll chop up, some beef stock, some celery. I'll do probably 2 or 3 of these sticks, some garlic, of course, onion, and yes, you can eat sprouted onions. I shared an article a week or two ago about sprouted onions, and a little bit of tomato. I love aromas, especially when you can't get farm fresh in the store, but I like aromas. For the spices, I'm using East Indian paprika, some turmeric, la merch, which is East Indian red chili powder, coriander, cumin, and ground ginger, and I'll be dusting it off with the harissa with some celery flake. You could use fresh celery fronds if you want to, if you can get them. And for the harissa, this is a placeholder, this particular cumin. This is a Mexican cumin. I'll be adding coriander to this and some garlic, but it's guajillo chili peppers and pasilla chili peppers. I'm actually substituting from what's actually in the recipe. Because this is what I have on hand. So red wine vinegar and some extra virgin olive oil. These basically you cook, not cook, but you heat and soak the chili peppers until they're soft for about 20 minutes. And then you basically add all the ingredients. You roast the cumin and the coriander a little bit, just in a dry pan, and then you put everything in a food processor and get it all. Yeah, good times. All right, on this wet Wednesday, have a great day. Oh, by the way, I got sheared. I feel so human. No more hair touching my ears. It drives me nuts. It was really bad this time. All right. Again, I got sheared. I'm happy. On this wet Wednesday, have a great day. eat great food, and have fun cooking.